Why introverts thrive in the digital age. Have you ever wondered why so many introverts seem to be doing so well in today's world? Why the quiet thinkers, the deep feelers, and the calm observers suddenly have an advantage in the digital age? For a long time, society often praised the extroverts, the loud, the confident, the social butterflies. They were seen as the ideal leaders, the movers, the networkers. Introverts? Many people thought they were shy, too quiet, or not expressive enough. But something interesting happened. As the world moved online, the rules changed. And all of a sudden, the strengths of introverts started to shine. Today, introverts are thriving in ways many people never expected. In this video, let's explore why that is. And you might even discover that being an introvert is not a disadvantage at all. It might actually be your superpower. Part 1. The digital world rewards deep thinking. Let's start with something introverts are naturally good at: deep work. In the digital age, many important jobs require focus, concentration, and long periods of thinking without interruption. Jobs like coding, digital design, video editing, research, writing, data analysis, online content creation. These roles require silence and space, the exact environment introverts enjoy. While extroverts may get energy from group discussions or busy offices, introverts often do their best work when they are alone with their ideas. And guess what? Modern technology needs deep thinkers. It values people who can sit quietly, solve complex problems, and produce high-quality results. In today's world, you don't have to be loud. You just have to be good. Part 2. Online communication removes social pressure. Introverts sometimes feel stressed in face-to-face conversations, especially in big groups. There's pressure to speak fast, respond immediately, or compete for attention. But online communication changes the game. On the internet, you can take your time. You can think before you type. You can express yourself clearly, without being interrupted. This means introverts can finally communicate in a way that feels natural. Email, chat, social media, forums. These tools level the playing field. People focus on your ideas, not your volume. And in a world where written communication matters more than ever, introverts thrive. Part 3. Remote work is a perfect fit for introverts. Let's be honest, the traditional office environment can be overwhelming. Open offices, loud chatter, constant meetings, surprise conversations at your desk. It can drain introverts quickly. But today, many companies allow remote or hybrid work. Working from home gives introverts control over their environment. They can work in quiet spaces, take breaks without social pressure, avoid unnecessary small talk, recharge their energy throughout the day. Even online meetings are easier than in-person ones. You can turn off your camera, type in the chat, or simply listen without standing in the spotlight. For many introverts, remote work feels like freedom, and it helps them perform at their very best. Part 4. Introverts are great listeners. The digital age is full of noise, endless messages, comments, data, feedback, and content. But successful companies need people who can listen deeply and understand what customers really want. And introverts? They are natural listeners. They observe, they analyze, they pay attention to details others miss. They think before reacting. Whether it's understanding user behavior, managing online communities, or improving digital products, introverts bring the kind of insight that comes from careful listening. Quiet does not mean weak. Quiet often means wise. Part 5. Introverts build meaningful online communities. You might not expect this, but many strong online communities are led by introverts. Why? Because introverts value meaningful connection, not popularity. They create safe, thoughtful spaces, places where people feel understood, not judged. This is common among YouTubers, bloggers, online artists, Discord moderators, Reddit community leaders, niche creators. Introverts often prefer expressing themselves from behind the screen, but their words reach people all around the world. Online, you don't need to be the loudest person to inspire others. You just need to be genuine. Part 6. Creativity loves quiet. Another reason introverts thrive in the digital age is creativity. Digital jobs today rely heavily on creative skills like video editing, writing scripts, digital art, storytelling, marketing ideas, photography, UI/UX design, programming solutions. Creativity often grows in quiet moments when your mind has space to imagine and reflect. Introverts naturally enjoy these quiet moments. They love diving deep into a project and building something meaningful from scratch. Many of the most creative digital creators today are introverts who simply needed the right environment to shine. Part 7. Leadership is changing. Old school leadership rewarded loudness and strong charisma. But digital leadership rewards something very different. Empathy, careful decision-making, clear communication, thoughtful strategy, active listening, calm energy. These qualities are common in introverts. In fast-moving digital workplaces, people don't want leaders who shout. They want leaders who understand, listen, and guide with clarity. Introverts often lead quietly but powerfully. Part 8. Digital tools reduce social anxiety. Technology allows introverts to control how and when they interact. Whether it's messaging instead of calling, or text communication instead of face-to-face meetings, digital tools reduce social tension. Introverts can choose when to respond, how much energy to spend, who they want to interact with, when they need a break. This creates a healthier, more comfortable social world for them. It's not about avoiding people, it's about managing energy wisely. Part 9. Personal branding no longer requires loudness. In the past, being noticed required being loud or outgoing. But today, personal branding is built on value, not volume. People follow you if you share useful knowledge, post creative work, speak honestly, stay consistent, show your expertise. Introverts can excel at all these things without pretending to be someone else. Your work speaks for you. Your ideas attract the right people. Your authenticity builds trust. In the digital age, introverts don't have to change themselves to be seen. The world now sees the value of who they already are. Part 10. Quality matters more than noise. Finally, one of the biggest reasons introverts thrive today is simple. The internet is crowded. There's too much noise. People are tired of fast, loud, empty content. They want depth. They want meaning. They want clarity. And that is exactly what introverts offer. Introverts think carefully before speaking or posting. They take time to research. They focus on quality. And in today's online world, quality always wins. Being quiet is not a weakness. It's a strength. So, have you ever wondered why introverts are thriving in the digital age? It's because this new world appreciates what introverts naturally bring. Deep thinking, focused work, meaningful communication, empathy, creativity, careful leadership, quality over noise. For introverts, the digital age is not a challenge. It is an opportunity. If you're an introvert watching this, remember this. You don't need to be the loudest person in the room. You don't need to become someone you're not. Your quiet strengths are powerful. And in today's digital world, they matter more than ever. Thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this.